The twin flame journey is a sacred path of self discovery, growth, and profound spiritual love. The connection between the divine feminine and divine masculine transcends physical and emotional realms, embodying a higher purpose of unity and balance. Many divine feminines on this path long for the presence of their divine masculine, yearning to bring the sacred union into fruition. However, the journey to attracting your divine masculine is not about chasing or forcing the connection. Instead, it is about becoming an energetic match for your counterpart by stepping into your highest self. This journey requires patience, inner work, and trust in divine timing. While it may seem challenging at times, remember that the bond you share with your twin flame is eternal and unbreakable. By focusing on your spiritual alignment and personal growth, you can magnetize your divine masculine and accelerate the path to union. Today, we'll reveal 6 simple but transformative steps to attract your divine masculine and align with the sacred love that is your destiny. Let us begin. Number 1. Aligning with your inner divine feminine energy. The twin flame journey begins within. To attract your divine masculine, you must first embody the essence of the divine feminine. This energy is deeply intuitive, nurturing, and magnetic. It thrives in authenticity and radiates a sense of self-worth that naturally draws the divine masculine closer. However, societal conditioning often leads us to suppress our feminine energy. Many women are taught to prioritize logic over intuition, productivity over rest, and external validation over self-love. Reclaiming your divine feminine energy involves shedding these layers of conditioning and reconnecting with your authentic self. Begin by honoring your emotions. The divine feminine is deeply connected to the heart, and your feelings are a powerful guide on this journey. Allow yourself to experience the full spectrum of your emotions without judgment. Whether you feel joy, sadness, anger, or longing, each emotion carries a message and an opportunity for growth. Another key aspect of aligning with your feminine energy is cultivating self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a dear friend. When you nurture yourself in this way, you create a sense of inner wholeness that is irresistible to your divine masculine. Finally, reconnect with your creative and sensual nature. The divine feminine thrives in the flow of life, and activities such as dancing, painting, or spending time in nature can help you tap into this energy. By embracing your authentic self and embodying your feminine essence, you naturally become a magnet for your divine masculine. Number 2, releasing energetic blockages. Attracting your divine masculine requires a clear and open energy field. Past experiences, traumas, or limiting beliefs can create energetic blockages that prevent the flow of love and connection. These blockages often manifest as fears, doubts, or patterns of self-sabotage. To clear the path for your divine masculine, it's essential to address these energetic wounds with intention and compassion. Start by identifying the fears that may be holding you back. Common fears in the twin flame journey include fear of abandonment, rejection, or unworthiness. These fears often stem from unresolved childhood wounds or past relationship experiences. Acknowledge these fears without judgment and remind yourself that they are not reflective of your true essence. Once you've identified these blockages, focus on healing and releasing them. Energy clearing practices, such as meditation, breath work, or Reiki, can help dissolve stagnant energy and restore harmony to your energy field. Visualize yourself surrounded by a radiant light that cleanses and uplifts your spirit, allowing you to let go of anything that no longer serves your highest good. Journaling is another powerful tool for releasing energetic blockages. Write down your fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs, then challenge their validity. Replace these beliefs with affirmations of self-worth, love, and trust in the divine plan. By clearing these blockages, you create a receptive and magnetic energy field that invites your divine masculine into your life. Number 3, embracing detachment and trust. One of the most significant challenges on the twin flame journey is learning to release control and surrender to the divine plan. As a divine feminine, it's natural to yearn for union and feel impatient when progress seems slow. However, clinging to expectations or timelines can create resistance and hinder the flow of your connection. Detachment is not about giving up on your twin flame, but about shifting your focus from the outcome to your own growth and alignment. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should, even if the path is unclear. The bond between twin flames is eternal, and your divine masculine is destined to align with you in divine timing. To practice detachment, redirect your energy toward your own journey. Focus on your passions, goals, and spiritual growth. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment, independent of your twin flame connection. By prioritizing your well-being, you create a high vibrational energy that naturally attracts your counterpart. Building trust in the process requires faith and patience. Remind yourself daily that the universe is orchestrating your journey with love and precision. Affirmations such as, "I trust the divine timing of my twin flame union," or "I release all resistance and welcome love into my life," can help reinforce this mindset. Trust that your efforts in self-growth are paving the way for your divine masculine to step forward in perfect alignment. Number 4, radiating self-love and confidence. Self-love is the foundation of the twin flame journey. Your relationship with yourself sets the tone for your connection with your divine masculine. When you truly love and value yourself, you emit a frequency of wholeness and confidence that is magnetic to your counterpart. Begin by cultivating a deep sense of self-worth. Recognize that you are inherently deserving of love, not because of what you do or achieve, but simply because of who you are. Embrace your strengths, celebrate your accomplishments, and honor your journey with compassion and gratitude. Confidence is a natural byproduct of self-love. It signals to your divine masculine that you are whole within yourself and not seeking completion from an external source. This creates a dynamic of mutual respect and admiration, laying the groundwork for a healthy and balanced union. To nurture your self-love, prioritize self-care as an act of devotion. Take care of your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being through practices that uplift and empower you. Whether it's through exercise, meditation, or creative expression, choose activities that align with your highest self. Remember, your energy speaks louder than words. When you radiate self-love and confidence, you become a beacon of light that naturally attracts your divine masculine into your orbit. Number 5, balancing masculine and feminine energies. Within the twin flame journey is a mirror of inner balance. To attract your divine masculine, it's essential to integrate and harmonize the masculine and feminine energies within yourself. This balance creates a stable foundation for the external union to manifest. Masculine energy is assertive, action-oriented, and goal-driven, while feminine energy is intuitive, nurturing, and receptive. Both energies are essential, and neither is superior to the other. However, an imbalance in these energies can create challenges in your journey. For example, if you find yourself overgiving or constantly waiting for your divine masculine to take action, it may indicate an over-reliance on your feminine energy. In this case, it's important to tap into your inner masculine by setting boundaries, taking inspired action, and cultivating self-discipline. Conversely, if you feel disconnected from your intuition or emotions, it's a sign to nurture your feminine energy. Practice mindfulness, engage in creative pursuits, and prioritize self-care to reconnect with your inner flow. By balancing these energies within yourself, you create a harmonious and magnetic energy field. This inner alignment signals to your divine masculine that you are ready for union, accelerating the manifestation of your sacred connection. Number 6, anchoring in gratitude and joy. Gratitude and joy are powerful vibrations that align you with the energy of love and abundance. When you focus on what you already have, rather than what you lack, you shift your energy into a state of receptivity that naturally attracts your divine masculine. Gratitude opens your heart and creates a positive feedback loop with the universe. Take time each day to acknowledge the blessings in your life, from the smallest moments of beauty to the larger milestones. Express gratitude for the lessons of your twin flame journey, even the challenging ones, as they are guiding you towards spiritual growth and union. Joy, too, is a magnetizing force. Engage in activities that light up your soul and bring you happiness. Pursue your passions, spend time with loved ones, and savor the simple pleasures of life. By anchoring in joy, you radiate a high-frequency energy that attracts your divine masculine effortlessly. Remember, the twin flame journey is not just about the destination of union, but the richness of the path itself. By cultivating gratitude and joy, you align with the energy of love and create the perfect conditions for your divine masculine to come forward. The journey of attracting your divine masculine is a profound spiritual expedition, one that transcends the physical longing for union and delves into the depths of self-discovery, purpose, and universal connection. At its heart, this path is about remembering who you are, a radiant being of light, capable of creating and attracting divine love through the essence of your soul. It is not simply about finding your divine masculine, but about becoming so aligned with your higher self that the energy of union flows toward you as naturally as the tide meets the shore. The beauty of this journey lies in its transformative power. Along the way, you will uncover aspects of yourself that you may have forgotten or overlooked. You will awaken strengths, heal old wounds, and develop a sense of inner peace that transcends external circumstances. Every step you take toward your own wholeness reflects in the spiritual mirror shared with your divine masculine. As you rise, they rise. As you heal, they heal. As you align, they are drawn ever closer to you. This sacred dance of growth is orchestrated by the universe with divine precision, ensuring that each moment is exactly as it should be. It is important to remember that your journey does not require perfection, nor does it demand rigid adherence to a timeline. The path is uniquely yours, unfolding in its own beautiful rhythm. The moments of doubt, longing, or seeming stagnation are not signs of failure, but opportunities for deeper introspection and alignment. These are the times when the universe gently nudges you to trust more fully, love more deeply, and surrender more completely to the infinite wisdom guiding your union. Your divine masculine is not a separate entity waiting in the distance, but a reflection of your own soul's truth. The connection you share exists beyond the bounds of time and space, rooted in the eternal realm of spirit. This means that your love is already real, already present, already whole. The physical manifestation of this union is simply the culmination of the energetic alignment you cultivate within yourself. When you understand this, you can release the pressure to make things happen and instead bask in the knowing that the love you seek is already yours. In this sacred process, the most powerful thing you can do is stay open. Open to the lessons, open to the beauty, and open to the infinite ways the universe may guide your path. Embrace the unknown as a space of possibility, where miracles can unfold in ways beyond your imagination. Allow yourself to be surprised, to be delighted, and to be transformed by the magic of your journey. As you move forward, carry with you the unwavering faith that your divine masculine is walking toward you just as surely as you are walking toward them. Each day, each moment, brings you closer to the divine union your soul has always known. Trust in the love that binds you, for it is eternal, unshakable, and destined to align in perfect harmony. This is the promise of your twin flame journey, a love that transcends all boundaries and leads you home to yourself.